As per the most recent long-haul estimate, Jabber cost will hit 20 cents toward the finish of 2024 and afterward 30 cents toward the finish of 2025. Dogecoin will ascend to 40 cents inside the extended period of 2027 and 50 Jibber in 2034. Dogecoin value Jibber 2024 to 2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at Jibber $0.0898. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $0.1262, so the cost expanded by Jibber 1% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Jibber cost toward the finish of 2024 is 20 cents, and the year-to-year change plus 123%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 58 Jibber. In the principal half of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to 21 Jabber in the final part. The cost would add 6 cents and close the year at 27 cents, which is plus 114% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin forecast 2026 to 20 Jibber. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from 27 Jibber to 34 cents, which is up 26%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at 27 cents, then, at that point, dip to 26 cents Jabber the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at 31 cents. That implies Jibber 146% from today. Dogecoin expectation 20 Jibber 1 to 2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from 34 cents to 48 cents, which is Jibber 41%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at Jibber 4 cents, then take off to 36 cents inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at 35 cents. It is about plus 100 Jibber 7% from today. June Jibber 2024. Dogecoin value Jibber 2024 to 2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $0.0898 Jibber. Today, Dogecoin applesauce at Jabber $0.136, so the cost expanded by 51% from the start of the year. The estimated Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is 19 cents, and the year-to-year change plus 112 Jibber. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 40 Jibber. In 2024, we hope to see 16 cents per 1 Jabber. In the main disappointment of 2025, the Jabber cost will move to 25 cents. In the final part, the cost would add 6 cents and close the year at 31 cents, which is plus 128% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin expectation 2026 to 20 Jibber. These 5 years would bring an increment. Freedom cost would move from Jibber 1 cents to 40 cents, which is up 29%. Jibber will begin 2026 at 31 cents. Then take off to 33 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at 32 cents. That implies plus 135 Jibber from today. Dogecoin expectation 2031 to 20 Jibber 5. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from 40 cents to Jabber 4 cents, which is plus 35%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at 40 cents, then take off to Jabber 2 cents inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at 44 cents. It is about Jibber 224% from today. Jibber 1st 2024. Jibber value freedom 2024 to 2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $0.898 disappointment. Today, Dogecoin Jabber at $0.1591, so the cost expanded by 77% from the very outset of the year. The determined Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is 22 cents and the year-to-year change plus 145 Jibber. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 38 Jibber. In 2024, we hope to see 18 cents per 1 Jabber. In the principal half of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to 29 cents. In the last part, the cost would add 7 cents and close the year at 36 cents, which is Jabber 126% to the ongoing cost. Jibber expectation 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from 36 cents to Jibber 8 cents, which is up 33%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at 36 Jibber, then take off to 39 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at 37 cents. That Jibber plus 133% from today. Dogecoin forecast 2031 to 20 Jibber 5. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from 48 Jabber to 68 cents, which is plus 42%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at freedom 8 Jibber, then, at that point, take off to 51 cents inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at 54 cents. It is about Jibba 239% from today. May Jibba 2024. Dogecoin value Jibba 2024 to 2025. Jibba cost began in 2024 at $0.0898. Today, Jabber exchanged at $0.1461, so the cost expanded by 63% from the Apple source of the year. The determined freedom cost toward the finish of 2024 is 28 Jibba, and the year-to-year change plus 212%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 92 Jibba. In 2024, we hope to see Jabber cents per one Dogecoin. In the principal half of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will drop to 27 cents. In the final part, the cost would add 6 cents and close the year at 33 Jibba, which is plus 126% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin Jibba 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from Jibba 3 cents to 36 cents, which is up 9%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at Jibba 3 cents, then take off to 35 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at 38 cents. That implies Jibba 160% from today. Dogecoin Jibba 2031 to 2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from 36 cents to 53 cents, which is plus 47 Jibba. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at 36 cents, then take off to freedom 8 Jabber inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at 40 cents. It is about plus 174 Jibba from today. May 1st, 2024. Jibba value forecast 2024 to 2025. Jibba cost began in 2024 at $0.0898. Today, Dogecoin Jabber at $0.1322, so the cost expanded by 47% from the start of the year. The estimated Jibba cost toward the finish of 2024 is 26 cents and the year-to-year change plus 189%. The Jibba from today to year-end, plus 97%. In 2024, we hope to see 18 cents per one Jabber. In the main portion of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will drop to 25 cents. In the final part, the cost would add 6 cents and close the year at 31 cents, which is plus 134 Jabber to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin forecast 2026 to 20 Jibba. These 5 years would bring an increment. Jibba cost would move from 31 cents to 35 cents, which is up 13%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at 1 Jibba, then, at that point, take off to 33 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at 36 cents. That implies Jibba 172% from today. Jibba expectation 2031 to 2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would jabber from 35 cents to 52 cents, which is plus 49%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at 35 cents, then take off to 37 jabber inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at 39 cents.